Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to clear Messenger cache on both iPhone and Android devices. For iPhone users, start by opening your Settings app. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find the Messenger app and tap on it. Now tap Offload App and confirm by tapping it again. This will clear the cache while keeping your data. Once it's offloaded, you'll see a Reinstall App button. Tap that to reinstall Messenger. Important note, you may need to log in again, so make sure you know your login credentials before doing this. For Android users, the process is actually simpler. Open your settings and find Apps or Application Manager. Scroll down to Messenger and tap on it. You'll see a Clear Cache option. Just tap that and you're done. No need to reinstall anything on Android. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Messenger cache, which helps free up storage space and can improve app performance. This works for clearing Messenger data, fixing Messenger issues, and optimizing your phone storage. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.